Hello students, myself A.K. Tiwari sir. I welcome you all in today's SST class. After your PT2 examination, we are meeting today, first time. So please concentrate and back again on the track. So it's my request to you people, please be in the class physically and mentally, right beta? So our today's chapter's name is Our Country India. It is in your book lesson number 5, right beta? So in this chapter we will learn or we will discuss about our own country. Why I am saying own country? As because we live here, it is our motherland, right beta? So it is very important to know about your own country very well, right beta? So please concentrate. In these, I would like to tell you the most important thing about India. India is 7th largest city in the world, area wise. एरिया का मतलब क्षेत्रफल का, जितनी बड़ी है कंट्री एरिया के अनुसार. So it is 7th largest city, country in the world area wise, and second most populated country in the world. Means भारत की जनसंख्या विश्व में दूसरे नंबर पर आती है. सिर्फ चाइना की जनसंख्या जो है हमारे देश से अधिक है. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट आवर कंट्री, राइट बेटा? सो कम टू द मेन ट्रैक. I am going to tell you some important word which is related with this chapter. Number 1 is unique. Unique means very special or unusual. Unique, which is totally different from general things. Those things we call it unique, right? You can't call any general thing as unique, which is special, then we call it unique. Number 2, it is peak. Peak means pointed top of a mountain. Means any mountain's top one pointed like nails. That's why we are mentioning here pointed. Word number 3 is wide. Wide means broad. It is wide and length. Two types. Broad means broad. Fertile. Fertile is the word used for those land where crops grow very well. Means the fertility of a land is called when it is fertile, when crops grow in that. If any crop is not growing in the land, you can't call that land as fertile land. Is it clear beta? Right. And the last one is barren. Barren means having very few plants. में एक्का दुक्का के पौधे रहेंगे, नॉट डेंसली. पूरी घनी आबादी की तरह घने रूप में पौधे वहां आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. बहुत इक्के दुक्के रेयरली पौधे आपको मिलेंगे ऑन दैट लैंड. दैट इज कॉल्ड बैरन, राइट बेटा? नाउ इन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 इट इज क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म्स फाउंड इन इंडिया. कितने प्रकार के लैंड्स इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं? आंसर इज द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लैंड्स आर फाउंड इन इंडिया आर प्लेन्स. प्लेन्स मीन समतल भूमि. हिल्स पहाड़ी. माउंटेन्स मीन्स पहाड़. डेजर्ट मीन बलुआ रेगिस्तान. प्लेट्यूज पठार. टेबल लैंड यू कैन से इन अदर वर्ड. आइलैंड मीन्स होता है द area which is surrounded by water all the sides. चारों तरफ से जो स्थान घिरा हुआ है पानी से उसको हम आइलैंड कहते हैं. और अगर 3 तरफ से पानी से घिरा हुआ है तो उसको हम पेनिनसुला कहते हैं. आवर कंट्री इंडिया इज अ पेनिनसुला. वी हैव 3 sides water और 1 side land. This much is for today, and a lot of exercises I have also given in the PDF. You may go through it in proper way and you have to complete your all works as per my direction. So please go through your books page and copy both PDF carefully and complete your work. Especially activity part, I have given you one audio visual clip. You have to watch that very carefully and you have to make a list of 10 places, tourist places of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Make a list and send it in the group. Okay beta, this much is for today. We will again meet in our next class with remaining part of this chapter and we will discuss those things in our next class. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day. Thank you beta.